How to hide your WhatsApp profile picture from specific contacts, step-by-step tutorial. Want to keep your WhatsApp profile picture private from certain people? In this video, I'll show you an easy way to hide your profile picture from specific contacts on WhatsApp. Let's dive in. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner if you're using Android or the S settings icon at the bottom on iPhone. Next, go to the Privacy section. This is where all your privacy-related options are stored. Now, tap on a profile photo. Here, you'll see options for who can view your profile picture. Select My Contacts Except to customize who can and cannot see your profile picture. Now, scroll through your contact list and select the people you want to hide your profile picture from. Once done, tap the checkmark or save button. That's it. Your profile picture is now hidden from the selected contacts, and they won't even know about it. Protecting your privacy is quick and easy with WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.